Alright guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be fishing from our TUCKTEC-KAYAK. It's a folding kayak. Told you guys in the last video I was going to try to get out on the water because it's been a minute. So yeah, today we're at this lake and we're going to get this kayak set up, so stay tuned. Alright, and just like that, we are done. It probably took 5 minutes just to set that up, so let's get our paddles and our fishing gear, and we're going to head out. So let's go. Alright guys, we're out on the lake. I'm not trying to be too loud right now because I did see a couple splashes. I think they might be carp or maybe a catfish. I'm not too sure. But yeah, we're out on the lake and we brought our little dock demon again. This is from one of my first videos. So we finally got this guy back out. And there's a couple areas over here that I think have some crappie and some bluegill. So we're going to go ahead and fish this area and see if we can catch something. Yep, that's a fish. There we go. That's a bass. Woo. Hey, let's go, man. Damn, he's jumping all over the place. It's a little guy. He's not big at all. But yes, we got a bass right here. A little smallmouth or largemouth. That's awesome. Alright, it's not exactly what we're going for. We're trying to fish for some crappie, but you know, I'll still take this. You know, it's better than getting skunked. So yeah, tiny guy. Alright, anyways, we're gonna go. Come right back. There he is, and he's off. Sweet. Nuh-uh. What? No way. Dude, oh my gosh. What? Oh man, okay. That was not the same one. That one was even smaller. As soon as that hit the water. Wow, that's crazy. All right. All right, well, I guess I know where the bass are. There we go. There's a crappie. Sweet. All right. Calm down. Yeah, he's a little guy. Actually, yeah, he's kind of little. Yep, there you go. There's a little crappie right here. I think this is a white crappie. I got a big mouth. Yeah, it's pretty cool. About the size of my hand. Pretty fish. All right, we're gonna let him go. Just like. Yep, there we go. Oh, just got off. I think that was a bluegill. Looked like a bluegill. Got something. It's another crappie. Yes, sir. Man, that's a tiny one. Got him right on the bottom of the jaw. It's my second crappie. Yep, look at that. They are pretty fish though. Look at that, like the silver and everything. Alright, I'll let him go. Here we go. Here we go. Man, we're killing it right now. I mean, they're little, but fish is a fish. Alright, so this is a good spot. Definitely a good spot. Just sucks that they're real tiny. That's the only issue. Wasn't able to hook them. Oh, I thought that was a fish. I thought that was a fish. I was about to say, it felt real nice. But it was a stick. Alright guys, I think that pretty much wraps up for today. We caught about 5 fish. I think it was 2 little tiny bass and like 3 crappie. So all in all, not a bad day. As you can hear in the background, there's a giant crane. I don't know, maybe he's got beef with me, something, I don't know. But I think that pretty much wraps up for today. My legs are getting real tired and cramped. I need to go stretch them. And yeah, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It would help out tremendously. I got a couple other videos on my channel. And well, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Fish on, baby.